Good evening. I'm going to show you how to access the My Math from McGraw-Hill. So you will go to the top left corner on menu. Once you click on menu, you click on the homework tab. From there, you click on the homework assignment. So you have the option of printing it out, or if you can't print it out, you could go ahead and just write it in a piece of paper, whatever's easiest to you. So you could just print this out or write it down on a piece of paper. Once you are finished with that, you could just go on your device and you could click upload, and you will drop your file right here, and then you will click done, and that's it. It will go directly to me for grading. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.